Welcome back guys, in this video we're going to be showing you how to do this cool cloning effect in LumaFusion. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is set up our camera. I'm just using my phone and I'm going to just lean it up against this coffee cup. As you can see, we've got a nice messy hotel room here, courtesy of Georgie May. Now you'll find this effect easy to do indoors because you can control the lighting, because any change in lighting or background will ruin the effect. We just want to keep this fixed angle static shot like this. Once you've got your camera set up, move into position and record your first clip. And then we're going to do a quick costume change. Move into our second position and record our second clip. Once we've finished recording, we're going to drag that into LumaFusion. Use the slice tool to crop out the costume change and then drag position 2 over the top of position 1. Double tap it, go to frame and fit, choose cropping, and then we're just going to drag that crop slider across to the centre. Now it's just a case of going back to the timeline and syncing up your two clips so that they work together. And the end result looks like this. And that's it. Don't forget, if you found this video useful, give it a like and hit that subscribe button. It'd be really helpful and massively appreciated. And as always, thanks so much for watching. See you next time.